Dear students, today I am going to discuss the applications of AST rule. Number one application: trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Ratios of minus theta. Right? Here, this is theta and this is minus theta. Minus theta lies in both quadrants. Minus theta lies in both quadrants. Both quadrants. So, what is sign of minus theta? Sign of minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sign is negative. So, minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta. Minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Cos is positive. So, it is cos theta. Tan of minus theta minus sin theta. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cos and sec are positive, and cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Minus cosec theta. Another application. That is application towards allied angles. Applications towards allied angles. What are allied angles? What are allied angles? Can you say what are allied angles? Suppose two angles alpha and beta, they are said to be allied angles if their sum is 0 or multiple of pi by 2 or multiple of pi. That is, the angles alpha and beta are said to be allied angles. Allied angles if alpha plus beta is equal to 0 or multiple of pi or multiple of pi by 2. Or we can say the angles which are in the form of the angles which are in the form of pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta, like this, and pi plus or minus theta, 2 pi plus or minus theta are allied with the angles theta. or minus theta according to ASTC. Theta minus theta according to 2. According to their rule. Two very important notes to write the right angle formula. Very essential notes. So remember here two notes, very important. The notes are note 1. If angles are in the formula, if the angles are in the form of n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, where n is odd integer, then sin function changes to cos, and cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, cosec changes to sec. But the appropriate sign is according to ASTC rule. Now another note for you. This is note 1. And another note for you. Note 2. If the angles which are in the form of n pi plus or minus theta, then sin remains sin, cos remains cos, etc. But the sign is according to, the sign is according to ASTC rule. Now let us do formula. Type 1, pi by 2 minus theta, where theta is acute angle. Very interesting. This is pi by 2 and this is 0. This is 0 to pi by 2 first quadrants. Pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta means rest. Pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrants. This is first quadrants. So all are positive. Sin pi by 2 minus theta, follow note 1. If the angles are in the form of pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta, etc., then sin changes to cos and cos changes to sin. But the appropriate sign is according to AST rule. What is the appropriate sign here? In first quadrants, all are positive. So write sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta. All are positive. Sin changes to cos and cos changes to sin. Similarly, cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Sec pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sec theta. This is pi by 2 minus theta form. And now type 2. Type 2. Type 2. Pi by 2 plus theta. This is type 2. Pi by 2 plus theta. This is pi by 2. This angle is pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus theta means greater than pi by 2. That is pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant. This is second quadrant. Here sin and cosec, these are positive and others are negative. Here pi by 2 form present. So sin function changes to cos function. Cos function changes to sin function. Now write sin pi by 2 cos theta. Sin pi by 2 cos theta. That is cos theta. Because in second quadrant sin function is positive and cosec function is positive. Similarly, cos pi by 2 cos theta, that is minus sin theta due to second quadrant. Then pi by 2 cos theta minus cot theta. Cot pi by 2 cos theta minus tan theta. Sec pi by 2 cos theta. Sec pi by 2 cos theta minus cosec theta. Cosec pi by 2 cos theta. Cosec pi by 2 cos theta. This is sec theta. Sin and cosec are positive, others are negative. Now type 3. Type 3. Type 3. Pi minus theta. Type 3. Pi minus theta. Pi form here. So sin remain sin, cos remain cos, tan remain tan, etc. But the sign is according to SQ. This is pi. This angle is pi. Pi pi minus theta means lies in second quadrant pi minus theta. So sin pi minus theta in second quadrant, sin is positive. So it is simply sin theta cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta cot pi minus theta is equal to minus cot theta sec pi minus theta is equal to minus sec theta cosec pi minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Due to second quadrant, sine and cosine functions are positive and others are negative. Now type 4. Type 4 pi plus theta. Type 4 pi plus theta. Pi plus theta. This is pi. Pi plus theta means lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, only tan and cot positive, others are negative. So write sin pi plus theta. It is pi form. So sin remains sin, cos remains cos, tan remains tan, etc. So in third quadrant, sin function is negative, so minus sin theta. Cos pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Tan pi plus theta, it is third quadrant, due to third quadrant tan is positive, so tan theta. Cot pi plus theta, cot theta. Sec pi plus theta minus sec theta cosec pi plus theta minus cosec theta. Due to third quadrant, tan and cot are positive and rest are negative. Now type 5. Type 5. This is 3 pi by 2. Type 5. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. This angle is 3 pi by 2, right? Clear? This angle is 3 pi by 2. Understand? And 3 pi by 2 minus theta means less than 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 minus theta means less than 3 pi by 2. This is angle 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant. Here tan and cot are positive and rest are negative. Now we can write sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Mind it, the students, if pi by 2 form presents, then changes occur. That is, sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, like this. And the appropriate sign is according to AST's rule. What is AST's rule? Here 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant, so tan and cot functions are positive and rest are negative. Here sin function pi by 2 present, so sin changes to cos, but the sign is according to AST. What is sign here? Third quadrant sin function is negative, so write here minus cos theta. Clear? Similarly, cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, cos changes to sin. What is sin? Sin means here negative sign. due to third quadrant. Cosine function is negative. Tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta cot theta cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta tan theta sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta minus cosec theta minus cosec theta cosec 3 pi by 2 minus theta minus sec theta. Clear? In third quadrant tan and cot are positive and rest are negative. Now type 6. Type 6. Type 6. This is 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Dear students, this is 3 pi by 2, right? And 3 pi by 2 theta means add theta here, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So 3 pi by 2 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. According to Estes rule, in fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. Here pi by 2 form present, so changes occur. What changes? Sin changes to cos. Sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta due to fourth quadrant, sin is negative, so minus cos theta cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta. This is equal to minus sin plus sin theta because fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosine function is positive. Tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta minus cot theta cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta minus tan theta sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta. This is cosec theta. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, rest are negative. So cosec 3 pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus sec theta. Clear? Due to fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, and due to 3 pi by 2 from present, so changes occur according to note 1. Now type 7. Type 7. Type 7. This is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. Here, this complete angle is 2 pi. Right? 2 pi minus theta means less than 2 pi. This is 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, but the sign is according to Estes rule. Here 2 pi, it is pi form. So sin function remains sin function, cos function remains cos function, tan function remains tan function, cot functions remain cot function, sec functions remain sec function, cosec functions remain cosec function. But the sign is according to Estes rule. Sin 2 pi minus theta in fourth quadrant, sin is negative, so minus sin theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta, here mark it, cos theta, right? Tan 2 pi minus theta minus tan theta. Cot 2 pi minus theta minus cot theta. Sec 2 pi minus theta. Sec 2 pi minus theta. This is sec theta. Mark this. Cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant. And finally, cosec 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. Clear? Then type 8. Type 8. Type 8. This is type 8. Complete angle is 2 pi. 2 pi cos theta means first quadrant all positive. Very easy formula. All are positive. Sin 2 pi cos theta. It is 5 forms, so functions are not changed. That is sin theta. Cos 2 pi cos theta. Cos theta. Tan 2 pi cos theta. Tan theta. Cot 2 pi cos theta. Cot theta. Sec 2 pi cos theta. Sec theta. Cosec 2 pi cos theta. Cosec theta. So students, these are two applications of the ASTC rule. First application is minus theta. Trigonometry ratios in terms of minus theta. Second application is trigonometry ratios in terms of allied angles. So my dear students, watch the video carefully and write the notes from the video class and practice 2 times of all the formulae. Thank you. Have a nice day.